Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes when I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. And in the streams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, the hail of the hail street lamp. I turned my color to the cold and damp, when my eyes are slain by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs, and voices never shall, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Voices I do not know, silence like a cancer grows.